After it calmed down, I had a little bit of smoke on the first two cylinders or whatever, but this is how it's running right now. Seems like it's running smooth, and I'm gonna go back in and check the temperature gauge on the inside after I clean up these tools. And we'll be done, y'all. That I was gonna have somebody else do that job, but like I said, I'm smarter than the average bear, and I can do a lot of the things myself. And I spent like $120, $130 on parts. This is that temperature sensor that came out of there. This had a white top, like it probably never been replaced or whatever, but the replacement has a black top. Now let me go in here and see if that temperature gauge went up. And yes, it has. It was pegged at 160. Now it's done moved up to 180, on its way up to 210. It's supposed to top out at 210 or whatever, and I can see it moving. I don't know if y'all can notice that little bit of change, but I just saw it move up a little bit as the car is sitting, as the truck is sitting here.
Forecast from Steve Rudin. Beautiful weather continues on this Friday, and
just running.
Clouds with temperatures ranging from
But I thank God for the abilities that He gave me to think. Just that simple, to think what is the problem, what is the issue, and how can we fix it. You know what I'm saying?